For this video, we're showing you how to do the 7-site skin fold. The 7 sites are the pectoral, triceps, subscapular, mid-axillary, superiliac, abdominal, and thigh. To begin, make sure the subject is facing towards you. Place the calipers in your right hand with the dial facing up towards you. You're going to want a wide C grip and not a pinch. If you pinch, this is going to skew your measurement. Gently release the trigger so the calipers are resting on the skin, approximately 1 centimeter below the fold. After you have gained your reading, gently release the trigger again, release the fold. For the 7-site skin fold, you're going to go through each site 2 times. Each time you're going to go in the same exact order. If your measurements are off by more than 2 millimeters, you're going to repeat the measurement a 3rd time for that site. Measuring the pectoral site is different for both males and females. With males, your fold is going to be approximately halfway between the axillary fold and the nipple. With females, it's going to be slightly different. It's going to be approximately a 1/3 of the way down from the axillary fold, still using the axillary fold and the nipple as your 2 landmarks. On both subjects, it's going to be a diagonal fold. The triceps landmarks are the acromion process and the olecranon process. This is going to be a vertical fold halfway between these 2 processes. For the subscapular fold, have your subject place the right hand on the small of their back. This will cause the inferior angle of the scapula to protrude out backwards. Place your finger here so you can remember your spot, then go ahead and take your fold. It's going to be a diagonal fold, roughly 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. For the mid-axillary site, ask your subject to place their right hand on their left shoulder. Make an imaginary line splitting your subject exactly in half from front to back. For the superiliac, ask your subject to point roughly where their hip bone would be or palpate using your finger. After you find the superior iliac spine, it's going to be a diagonal fold 2 centimeters above the superior iliac spine. For the abdominal fold, your landmark is going to be in the umbilicus, also known as their belly button. Create a vertical fold 2 centimeters to the left of their belly button. Place your hands above the belly button before you start your pinch. Make sure when you're doing your pinch, you're not actually grabbing in their belly button. For the thigh, you're going to want to begin by finding your 2 landmarks. For this, our 2 landmarks are the inguinal crease and the superior aspect of the patella. Then have your subject place all their weight on their left foot with their right foot gently resting on the floor. You don't want any muscle tension in the right leg when you're measuring it. You're going to want to do a vertical fold roughly halfway between the inguinal fold and the superior aspect of the patella.